Hi children, happy morning. How are you? Today I am going to teach you L S R W. Do you know what is meant by L S R W? L means listening. S means speaking. R means reading. W means writing. Take a note down and make a note of it. Listening is done through our ears. We have got 2 ears, correct? So listening, you have to listen. Listening is done through our ears. Speaking is done through our mouth. You will speak with your friends, na? Listen. Speaking is done through with your mouth. Reading is done through your eyes. How many eyes do you have? All are having 2 eyes. So reading is done through with our eyes. Last one. Writing is done through with our fingers. How many fingers do you have, children? See, 10 fingers. 2 hands, 10 fingers. So L S R W. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Okay children, are you ready? The 4 types of listening are appreciative, empathic, comprehensive and critical. Children, you need not write, just listen, okay? The purpose of listening is to gain information that becomes the basic for taking a decision on any topic. A student who attends to his teacher and listens to him attentively learns a lot. Listening is art, and if you are master in it, surely you are going to be a great speaker. A good listener is always a good speaker. So, listen English every day, at least 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. You have to listen 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. Okay children, what are all the things in your school your ma'am is telling and at home your parents are telling? You have to listen. Then only you can understand very much. Okay? Shall we go to second one? Speaking. Speaking skills are defined as the skills which allow us to communicate effectively. They give us the ability to convey information verbally and in a way that the listener can understand. We must talk every day in English in order to achieve fluency. So many people are afraid to speak because they are shy. What other people will think if I will make mistakes? Mistakes are very common, so don't worry about your mistakes, children. You just try to express yourself. In the beginning, everybody do mistakes and always try to make new friends who are willing to improve their English as practice with them as much as possible. So children, every day you talk with your mummy daddy in English at home. You are having friends also, you can talk with them in English. That doesn't matter. You keep on speaking with your parents, teachers and friends, then only you are able to speak English fluently. Okay children, shall we go to third one? Reading. Reading skill is extremely important for each one, young to adult, as like reading is the key of every door in the real world. See, reading is also an art. It's not necessarily if we will read a lot, we will improve faster. If you read 10 pages but you can't learn something new, it's better to read 2 pages and read carefully. And do not try to remember. Try to understand. Once you understand them, you don't need to remember. So children, what you have to do? Daily you have to read the Hindu paper 2 to 3 lines. For first standard and second standard children, you have to read, you can read 2 to 3 lines. 3, 4, 5 children, daily you have to read one paragraph, one small paragraph to big one. Okay children? The last one, writing. Writing part. In reading part, you read 2 pages. You have to take 8 to 12 correct grammatical sentence from those 2 pages and you have to write down in your notebook. For this you have to take your note and make a note of it and read them frequently. Try to remember whole sentences rather than individual word meaning, because if you knew complete sentence, then you can speak it very quickly. So children, for writing what you have to do? We are all having 4 lines note, no? In that note, first 4 lines, pink line, blue line, pink line. You have to write within the blue line with cursive write. Children, do you know how to write cursive write? Daily you have to practice half a page. For first standard and second standard children, daily you have to write half page. For 3, 4, 5, for 2 pages you have to practice at home. 2 pages you have to write it, then only you will get practice for 3, 4, 5 children. Okay children? Next one, importance of LSRW. Importance of listening, speaking, reading and writing. LSRW is the 4 skills of language learning, a set of 4 capabilities that allow an individual to comprehend and produce spoken language for proper and effective interpersonal communication. Number 2, students can improve their writing skills by practicing PPD. Picture, perception, descriptive, assessment and email writing tests. Number 3, Teaching in this manner will guarantee focus around all these four abilities and provides a stage to the students to sharpen their capability to learn more effectively. In reality, in the presence of learning, listening and speaking should take precedence over reading and writing. Okay, children? So daily you practice LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. For listening, you have to listen. Take one paragraph and sit with your mummy and listen. She will read, your mom will read. You have to listen what she is telling. Then you have to speak. You have to ask questions. After that, reading. After that, you have to take that book and read the passage. Finally, take your note and write down. For first standard and second standard children, daily you have to write half a page. 3, 4, 5 children, 2 pages, you have to write it. Okay, do you all know cursive writing? Do you all know? Then you have to write with cursive writing. Okay children, bye bye. See you tomorrow.